Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we have a Peruvian style salted cabbage with pork. All the ingredients below in my info box. In a pan add vegetable oil, ginger, garlic, and then we're gonna be adding pork, but you can use any type of meat, okay? Now we're going to add salt and pepper, but be careful with the salt because we're gonna be adding soy sauce and this is salty. And then I'm adding sesame oil, but this oil is optional. Stir a little. And finally we're gonna be adding cabbage. And you have another option to cook this recipe, guys. You can cook the cabbage separately with vegetable oil. And when the meat is cooked, add the cabbage over the cooked meat. Stir and you will have a dish ready, but greasy and the cabbage more crunchy. Or you can do it as my way. Steam everything in the same pan, more easy and healthy. Okay, now I will cover the pan with a lid and cook over low heat until the pork is well cooked. And this recipe is ready, guys. You can serve with white rice. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and follow me on my social networks. And she's Candy, my coton de tulear. She stays with me every Wednesday with my recipes, but she has her own videos every Saturday. Stay tuned. See you next time. Bye bye.